To take advantage of this strategy, the first thing which you want to get done is to get a CPA marketing offer which you want to just simply promote. And you can get that from any platform of your choice, be it CPA Grape right now that you're actually looking at, CPA Lead, Max Bounty, OG Ads, Offer Vault, or any CPA marketing platform out there. It is quite easy to create an account on CPA Grape. Click on register, fill out the form you'll be shown, get your account created and log into your account. Once you do log in, you want to come onto this page by clicking on the offer tools option. From the drop down list, select my offers, be brought to this page, and you can filter your offers to any demographic of your choice to get cool offers to promote. You can also filter based on category, based on stats, and based on search keywords. Now right now I'm just going to go on to filtering based on payouts via clicking on payouts, and it's going to rearrange your offers from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers in that demographic. And if I actually do select a sweepstake offer such as this one which you can see on the screen, as this is a giveaway offer for €1,000 towards getting an iPhone 15 Pro Max right now for my leads. And all they need to do is to enter their information, and the information they actually need to enter is just simply their email address or zip code, while utilizing this my unique affiliate links. So I need to promote this to people in the United Kingdom that are utilizing Android devices, and they just need to submit their email address or zip code utilizing my unique affiliate link, going through a survey, and I'm going to get paid $2.22 for each person that completes the offer. So if I actually do go on to directing 100 people to complete the offer, I'm just going to be making something like a $222 right now. And that's a very cool and amazing way to make money online from just this single offer. So all you need to do first of all is to copy the link to the offer, head on to creating a simple landing page with any landing page builder site. Here's an example of a builder site right here called the breezy.io. This is another one right here called the systemy.io. You could also utilize GetResponse, Google Sites, Webflow, and any other landing page builder site of your choice. Right now I'm not going to show you how to create a landing page because I already have some tutorial videos that shows you how to create landing pages on various sites right there. So to get access to such videos, head on to my channel OJ Marketing. You want to click on the search icon right here beside the community option and type in landing page. If you do type in landing page right now and click on enter, this page is going to reload and you're going to just simply see some cool and amazing videos that I created that teaches you how to create simple landing pages on platforms like systemy.io right here, Google Site right now, Webflow right now, breezy.cloud, and a lot more cool and amazing platforms right there. So check out the videos. They could actually prove very useful to getting to know how to create a simple landing page for your CPA marketing offers. So once you've actually done that, guys, the next thing which you want to do is to actually head on to promoting the offer with this very cool platform right here called the onclicker.com. Now if you head onto this platform, you'll find out that the platform actually claims to be your worldwide ad network campaign, as you can use this to actually get high converting audience around the globe right now. Now they do actually have some cool ad formats such as the native tester, the banner ad, the pop under, the video ad, the in-page, and the push notification. Now for each and every one of these ad formats, you can actually do see the minimum bid stats, the impressions that you can actually get, about 500 million for the push notification, the subscribers right now over 150 millions, and the countries that this is actually available to, about 240 countries right there. So you can actually go into see much more details about each of the ad formats via clicking on more. Now you could keep on scrolling through. You can check out details about the advertising performance tools, the payments method that you can use to fund your account right now. You can use the credit card, cryptocurrencies, Paxum, and even the wire transfer. So why not just simply go on to sign up to the platform right now via clicking on the sign up option. You're going to be brought to this page. You either want to select the personal or company account, but if you're actually promoting your offer yourself, create an account as a personal account and go on to filling out your details such as your name, email address, password. Repeat the password, select the social network which you want to utilize right here. As you can see, there are a lot of cool social networks such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, WeChat, and others right there. So you want to just simply select that, select your phone number, insert your Skype nickname, and just simply go on to completing this captcha right now. Once you do that and go on to sign up for an account, you want to just simply be brought to this page right here. Now These are actually the 3 simple steps which you can actually utilize to make money right now or promote your offers with this platform called theonclicker.com. Now the first method is for you to actually top up your balance and make your campaign active. To top up your balance, you need to just simply click on add funds right here. You're going to see various methods to fund your account. The second step is to actually go on to uploading necessary photos and videos for your ad. And the third step is to select the settings to show your ads and target your audience. Now to do that, guys, like I said, to fund your account, you can utilize this option. For the second and third step, you just need to come right here, click on create campaign. Once you do click on create campaign right now, you want to select the kind of campaign you want to just simply utilize right now. Maybe you want to just simply utilize the in-page push notification, or you want to utilize the web push, the video ad, the pop under, the banner, the direct links, or other kinds of ad right now. You can actually do just simply select that based on your preference right there, as you can see right now. Now supposing I want to just simply utilize the in-page push or the web push, I'm just going to select that right here. You also want to go into giving this a campaign name. You also want to select the campaign group right now. Now for this particular section, you want to select your pricing model if you want to utilize the cost per click, cost per goal, or cost per action. But take note, guys, for information, please contact your personal manager to utilize the cost per action. Now you could also take note, guys, for this pricing section, you can actually go on to editing your bid price right now that you're actually going to be charged for this particular kind of offer. Now I can just simply reduce that or edit that based on my preference. Maybe I can actually put in something like 0.041, and right now, guys, you can actually go on to selecting your subscription period, whether you want this to actually run for about 30 days, 7 days, less than 7 days, or you can simply click on custom and insert your value right now. Now I'm just going to select 7 to 30 days. You want to select the traffic quality. If you want all the quality, you can select that. If you want high quality, you can actually select that right now. So you can see high quality traffic, most active users, and high conversions. Now you can also take note that for the ad selections, you can actually go on to selecting an ad if you already have one already set. But if you don't have one, simply click on create new ad. You want to give this ad a name. Maybe I can actually do name it something like tutorial. And if I do name this is just for identification purpose. Common URL, you want to paste in the link to that CPA marketing offer, or the link to your landing page which you actually created. Now in this section, guys, you also want to paste in that link right here. Now you want to also go on to giving this a very cool title right now. Also going to type in a very cool description right here in this section. Now make sure they are actually quite attractive to your audience to actually grab the attention of your audience. Once you do that, for the button right now, you can actually go on to inserting a button which you want. Maybe something like click here, buy now, or stuff like that. You can add in 2 buttons if you want right now. You could also go on to adding cool images to help you get better conversions to your offer. Now you can actually do, see I'm selecting Android right now, so as to actually go on to promoting this to Android devices. You can also go on to adding much more cool and amazing creatives for this right now. Once you're done, select the category as the mainstream right here. Once you have actually selected mainstream, for the sources, you can actually select the sources. I'm going to leave this on whitelist, and right now you can actually go on to start typing your website address. Now you can also paste in that right now. Paste in your website address right here. As you can see, there are no added sites yet, like this actually says. So once you actually do that successfully, you can see the spots right here. To actually enter spots right now, you can actually go on to inserting your main parameters, such as the country which you want to target. I'm just going to come right here and type in United Kingdom, which is actually the Great Britain. You can actually target all regions by leaving this section blank. For the device you want to target, I'm going to select only mobile devices. You can also select the device vendor if you want to just simply utilize that right now. I'm going to leave that to target all vendors. And right here, guys, for the other parameters, you can set up language, browsers, operating system. I usually prefer Android because that offer is an Android offer. Now once you actually do this, you're actually going to selecting the limit type. If you want that to be money, you want to just simply insert your hourly limit right now. If you want to just simply run the ad for about, maybe you want to just simply utilize about $10 hourly, and you want to just simply run this for about 2 days, you can insert that. As you can see, we do not recommend setting a limit less than 5, and you can just simply go into setting that right now. You can see your total limit right here. You can set that. and select the date range right here. You can also go into editing that in this section, and once you've actually done that, you also want to come onto this section, fill out all that details appropriately, and create your account, your campaign. Get your campaign running and start getting cool and quality traffic to your CPA offers. So why not just simply leverage this cool platform called OnClicker to get some cool traffic to your offers? And if the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all, so as you do always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So thank you all for watching, and goodbye.